In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically generate QR codes in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, clearly labeled place in your base that's ready to feed data into QR codes so they can be created consistently and at scale. First, head over to Airtable in your browser and sign in. You can do this from any modern browser, and it's a good idea to have the base you want to work on in mind before you start. If you're managing products, events, assets, or anything you want to tag and retrieve quickly, this setup will be especially helpful. Next, click on your app, which is your base. This opens the tables where your records live. If you have multiple tables, choose the one that holds the items you want to associate with a QR code. Keeping everything in the right table prevents confusion later, especially if you'll be sharing the base with teammates. Now, at the top of your table, click the plus sign to add a new field. This creates a new column. Think of fields as the building blocks of your structure. Each one holds a single type of information, and adding a dedicated field for your QR content keeps your workflow tidy. When the new field dialog appears, type in barcode as the field name. Clear, consistent naming makes it obvious how this column is used and makes it easier to plug into automations or extensions later. If you already have a naming convention, keep it aligned. Otherwise, barcode is simple and recognizable. Click on Add Description and write a short note about what belongs here, like enter the exact value to be encoded into the QR code. Descriptions are searchable and visible to collaborators, which helps avoid mistakes such as pasting the wrong format or mixing different kinds of values. Click Create to add the field to your table. You'll see the new barcode column appear alongside your existing fields. Finally, click into the first empty cell in the barcode column and type the value you want encoded. This can be a product SKU, a URL, an internal record ID, or any unique string you plan to turn into a QR code. A few quick tips as you enter data. Be consistent with formatting, avoid accidental spaces at the beginning or end, and for URLs, include the full address with HTTPS so scanners open the right destination immediately. That's it. You've added a dedicated barcode field complete with a helpful description, and it's ready to power automatic QR code generation through the tools and workflows you choose. This small bit of structure ensures your codes are created consistently and can be maintained easily as your base grows.